Have you ever wondered what survival items are often overlooked? Welcome back to Prepping for Tomorrow. If you're new here, we're all about helping you prepare smartly and efficiently for any scenario. Today, we're diving into the often forgotten but incredibly important survival items you might just need when the going gets tough. First up, rain gear. It's not just about dodging a downpour, it's about staying comfortable, healthy, and ready to face any challenge that comes your way in wet weather. A good set of waterproof clothing is about more than just keeping dry. It's a barrier against hypothermia and other conditions caused by getting soaked. So next time you're checking off your survival gear list, remember to add a sturdy raincoat or a waterproof suit to it. Don't overlook the essentials. Even something as simple as rain gear can make a difference. Next on our list, fuses. These tiny heroes are essential for safeguarding your electrical systems, like solar panels or generators. They act as a guard, preventing overloads and potential electrical fires. It's like having a little firefighter on standby, ready to step in when things get too hot. So, stock up on these small but mighty lifesavers. After all, who wouldn't want an extra line of defense? Remember, a small fuse can prevent a big disaster. Let's talk about gloves, a versatile survival tool. Now you might think, gloves? How important can they be? The answer is very. Gloves are more than just hand coverings. They're essential tools that serve different purposes in various survival scenarios. For instance, working gloves are invaluable for handling rough materials and preventing injuries to your hands. They're your first line of defense against cuts, scrapes, and blisters when you're working with wood, metal, or other hard materials. Then there are winter gloves, designed specifically to protect your hands from cold weather. They keep your fingers warm, allowing you to perform tasks efficiently even in the harshest of winters. And let's not forget rubber gloves. These are your go-to for protection against chemicals or dirty water. They help maintain hygiene and prevent infections. So you see, from handling materials to protecting against cold, gloves are a hand's best friend. Don't underestimate their importance in your survival kit. Now, on to an unconventional but necessary survival item, contraceptives. Often overlooked, contraceptives play a vital role in maintaining health and safety in survival situations. Not only do they prevent unexpected pregnancies in stressful scenarios, but they also serve alternative uses. For instance, they can be used to waterproof small items or even serve as emergency bandages. So remember, when you're packing your survival kit, contraceptives are more than meets the eye. Moving on to yeast and extra prescription medication. Yeast is an often overlooked component of survival planning, but think about it. If you're making your own bread or other baked goods, yeast is crucial. It's a simple ingredient to store, too. Pack it in Mylar bags to keep it dry, and it'll remain usable for years. Now let's switch gears and talk about prescription medication. In a long-term emergency, refilling prescriptions could become a real challenge. That's why having an extra supply is so important. It ensures you can continue your necessary care without interruption, even when pharmacy lines are long, or worse, non-existent. For more information on managing this aspect of your preparedness, we've got a link to Jase Medical in the description below. Remember, survival is about anticipating needs and preparing in advance. It's not just about the big, obvious stuff, but also about these small, often overlooked details that can make a huge difference. Next up, cash and cast iron cookware. When our digital world fails us and electronic payments are no longer an option, good old-fashioned cash becomes king. After a major disaster, ATMs and credit card machines may falter, leaving us in a bind. That's when having a stash of cash hidden away can save the day, allowing you to secure those vital essentials when our modern conveniences are out of reach. Now, let's shift gears and talk about something that's as versatile as it is durable: cast iron cookware. These heavy-duty pots and pans can withstand the test of time and whatever heat source you throw at them. Whether you're using your kitchen stove or a campfire in the wilderness, cast iron cookware will deliver. It's an investment that pays off, not just in the quality of your meals, but in the certainty that it's a tool that will always be there when you need it. Practical and timeless, cash and cast iron cookware are essentials in any survival scenario. Let's move on to hygiene supplies and instant cold packs. Cleanliness, often taken for granted, can become a serious matter in survival situations. Maintaining personal hygiene is not just about comfort, it's a crucial part of preventing illness and infection. Imagine a scenario where running water isn't available. Having a stockpile of soap, toothpaste, and sanitary products can make a world of difference. Remember, cleanliness is next to godliness, even in the toughest of times. Now let's talk about instant cold packs. These handy little devices can be a game changer in a first aid situation. They provide immediate cold therapy, helping to reduce swelling and manage pain quickly. When medical assistance is out of reach, an instant cold pack can provide temporary relief and potentially prevent further injury. So, when you're assembling your survival kit, think beyond the basics. Hygiene supplies and cold packs, don't overlook these crucial items. Next, we have baking soda, power inverters, and vitamins. These three items may be the dark horses of your survival kit, but trust me, their value cannot be underestimated. Let's start with baking soda. This humble kitchen staple is a true survivalist's dream. Beyond its obvious use in baking, baking soda serves as a powerful cleaning agent, capable of tackling grime and odors in a pinch. It's also a handy fire extinguisher for small grease or electrical fires. Just toss a handful on the flames and watch them die down. Not to mention, it's a great addition to your personal hygiene regimen, working as a toothpaste substitute or a soothing bath soak. So, when you're packing your supplies, don't forget to toss in a big bag of baking soda. Now, on to power inverters. When the grid goes down, these devices can be real game changers. They convert direct current, or DC, from sources like your car battery or solar panels into alternating current, or AC, which is what most of your household devices use. With a power inverter, you can keep essential electronics running even during a power outage. Think about it. Charging your phone, powering a lamp, or even running a small heater or a fan suddenly becomes possible. It's like carrying a portable power station with you. And finally, we have vitamins. During a survival situation, maintaining a balanced diet can be a challenge. That's where a good multivitamin comes in. It can help fill any nutritional gaps and keep your immune system strong. Plus, they're compact and have a long shelf life, making them an ideal addition to your survival pack. From cleaning to power conversion to nutrition, these items cover a wide range of survival needs. So, remember, when you're preparing for tomorrow, don't overlook the power of baking soda, the utility of power inverters, or the health boost from vitamins. Last but not least, water purification tablets. These little lifesavers can turn questionable water into a safe, potable source in a pinch. In survival situations, clean drinking water is often a luxury, and not a given. With these tablets, you can eliminate harmful viruses, bacteria, and parasites that commonly lurk in untreated water, making it safe to drink. Let's quickly recap what we've covered today. From rain gear to keep you dry, fuses to safeguard your power sources, versatile gloves and contraceptives for health and safety, to the humble yet mighty yeast for your bread-making needs. Don't forget your extra prescription medication cache, durable cast iron cookware, hygiene supplies, instant cold packs, baking soda, power inverters, vitamins, and our final item, water purification tablets. Each item plays a critical role in ensuring your survival in difficult times. Remember, the best way to survive is to prepare. So don't overlook these items in your survival kit.